Before you begin, remove the top cover, wireless module, power button board, and display panel assembly. Removal. Important. Make careful note of the routing of the display panel cable for later replacement. Carefully separate the display panel from the display enclosure and position it so that you have access to the right display panel hinge. Remove the rubber cable guide from the right display panel hinge. Remove the three 3mm P1 Phillips broadhead and one 3mm P1 Phillips head screws that secure the right display panel hinge to the display enclosure. Partially close the right display panel hinge and remove it from the alignment pins and retention clips on the display enclosure. Remove the display panel. Reverse this procedure to install the display panel.